Hi guys, just thought I'd bring you back to this one we renovated, I don't know, 2 or 3 months ago now, just so you can see how it has progressed. It's doing fine. There's no thin areas, there's no patchy areas, it has all filled in. It is looking good. I'll leave a link to the original renovation if you want to see what we did, but we scarified, aerated, overseeded and top dressed. Now this looks absolutely fine, but there is a lot of pink patch in the lawn which leads to red thread, and we are seeing a lot of it at the moment. That's all these little patches, and in fact you can see the red needles there. I don't know how well you can see that on screen. But yeah, in general, it's looking alright. It's got a good even colours, a few little ant mounds popping up there. They just want dispersing. Every single day you need to come out and disperse them with a brush, broom or something like that, so that the grass that is underneath that pile of soil does not die, which it will after a few days. So you've got to keep on top. And as you can see here, it's a lot more patchy, a lot more intense. And you can definitely see some red needles here. So much harder to see through a camera, but I assure you there's some red needles there. And it's caused by high humidity or low fertility. And with all the rain we've had and the heat, we are getting the humid environment. It's just like getting athlete's foot between your toes. Hot and sticky, sweaty environment. Basically your lawn is kind of sweating a little bit. Make sure you keep on top of scarifying, grooming, because as the lawn thickens it then starts to get some thatch, so you need to keep that thatch nice and short through regular grooming or verticutting, same thing. Anyway, there you go, just a very quick mini update on this lawn. So today I'm going to put some fertilizer on, and I'm going to go fairly heavy, try and knock back some of this red thread, and we're going to put a weed killer on. So have an amazing day. We'll catch you guys on the next one. There's something about the weather. Do you remember this? Do you remember this one? We renovated it. We came back and we put... What did we do? We cut it and we put the first feed and weed on that it has had. And that was 10 weeks ago. So I'm going to bring you back now. I have not seen this. So it's been 10 weeks. Let's go take a look. Do-be-do-be-do-be-do. Be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The weeds are gone. The weeds are gone. Look at this. This just looks like a normal lawn without any weeds. Oh, there's the odd little one. But all that big horrible stuff was gone. We actually had somebody comment on that video saying, call that a renovation, look at all the weeds. You can't seed and weeds at the same time. Normally you've got to leave at least 6 to 8 weeks between the two, and it wasn't physically possible to do it because of the time of the year and various other factors. So we did the renovation first, agreeing that we would start tackling the weeds once the grass has come through and looking really well. So yeah, this is great. This is great. She's now mowing. We've got a lawn. We've got a lawn. She's so happy. Not quite sure. I think that was a mole thing, and that might have been a mole as well actually, because I think she also had one down here in this corner. But they've got a dog as well, which is causing some of the burns. But overall, happy. Happy with that. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's just now a normal lawn which can be used. So there you go guys. It was just a very quick update. I'm going to get this feed and weed on now. In fact, what I'll do, you guys can watch that as well. So we'll put some fertilizer on. We'll put some weed killer on. Let's go. How many of you guys would want to use the same products that I use? if you're interested, let me know below, because there might be something that can be done. So you can start using everything what I use and getting a similar result, hopefully, if not a better result. So we are using this organic chicken manure based fertilizer, which is really good. So I'm going to put this on. So I'll just stick you on the old tripod. I've not brought the tripod, so we can't do that. But I think you've seen me do this before. I'll see if I can get some footage, but we'll take it from there. Okay, that's the best I can do. Pop it in. Turn the handle, squeeze the trigger, let's go. I'll just go grab the weed killer, and now we'll spray the weed killer. And there you go, thanks for watching. All comes good in the end, doesn't it? It all comes good in the end. Just have faith. It's a simple process when you've done it a long time. But it is. Scarify, aerate, overseed and top dress. You can tackle the weeds before, or you can tackle them later and after. But you can tackle them. Have a great day. See you in my next one.